Alright, so me and my dad just finished resoldering the broken off molex connector for the hard drive. Let's see if it powers on. And yeah, this is still needs to be fixed. The hard drive light comes on. Can't see anything on screen though. Oh shit. Something's wrong. Alright, so we saw a tiny dot on the screen. That means that something's wrong with the flyback. The flyback transformer connector was not connected. Or at least, it was not connected in the right way. So, yeah, hopefully this is fixed now. And I don't have a permanent burn-in now. Alright, take two. Hopefully we don't get it dot now. Yes, we're getting a screen. Maybe turn it a bit. Actually, let's not do that while it's on. Do we get hard drive indicator light? We don't get a hard drive indicator light, but I think it might still be reading the ROM or some shit. Nope, we're not getting a hard drive indicator. We're not getting a boot. Still floppy icon. Alright, let's test it out. Alright, so I do hear the hard drive spin up. Now it's seeking. Yep, it's booting. Alright, now let's see it face front. Oh, god damn it, it's a bit dirty now. Should be fine though. We're getting the dotted backplane. Now it's seeking. Will it boot? The image is a bit off. Yes! It's booting! Yes! It took me like fucking almost half a year since I got this thing to get it working, but finally we resoldered it because my dad had some time and shit. But now we finally did it. Mac OS? That does not look like Mac OS 6. That looks like something after that. I'm not a Mac expert. I just started this hobby. We got the desktop. Let's go, Microsoft Word. I'm just gonna go take this thing upstairs now and test it in my room because I have a keyboard and mouse there. Alright, I got a Lamouche. Welcome to Macintosh. I also disconnected the floppy drive to not have a constant eject sound. Like, I want to hear the hard drive and not hear the floppy drive go, ah! Alright, let's see how many megabytes of RAM this thing is when it's booted. Yep, we're almost there. It's a bit dirty and scuffed. I need to clean the CRT. Windex will do. Yes. You can see it. Oh. Yeah, true. Alright, let's have a look. The screen is a bit shaky, but only when I don't look at it, so that's probably fine. About this Macintosh. Four megabytes! I think that was, I can't remember. Macintosh system 7.5.3. Okay. Alright, let's check out some of the utilities, because it had a radius card in it. Look. It had a radius card, hold on, where's it? There, look, radius card, so I think there might be some software for that. Oops. Yep. Let's have a look at the control panel. Wait a minute, what? This disk is 150 megabytes. This thing has been upgraded. Also, what does it think the time is? 1904. That's not good. I think the clock battery is dead then. Look at those speeds. All right. So we got file sharing monitor, extension manager, labels launcher, Macintosh Easy Open, numbers, network, mouse, memory, map, Mac TCP. Should be a radius thing in there. I hope. Windows shade, I don't know. I'm new to this. Alright, let's have a look. What's Voyager 1? Interactive desktop planetarium. Cool. Is this like made in HyperCard? I think I need a fucking... yes. December 89th. I should probably get a keyboard. Alright, I'm gonna bring this up to my room and continue there. Ow, this is horrible. Also, we decided to not remove the clock battery yet because, well, still somehow works a bit, so I'll just leave it in for now and swap it when I got a replacement. Will this work? It's getting off. Alright, it works. Talk English. This is the internet. People don't understand Dutch. Please. Alright. Maybe it just needs to soak for a bit, maybe, like, so that, like, because, like, that seems like a whole fucking piece of sticker. Yep, it's starting to degrade. Disintegrate. Yes. This is Not coming off easily. It's coming off, kinda. We're getting there. Slowly, but surely. Final pieces. It looks clean, but it isn't yet. Bring forth another paper towel. Final piece of gunk. Pure alcohol. Also, don't use sticker remover to do this kind of stuff, because it'll literally fucking disintegrate the plastic. Looks good. Alright, time to go upstairs. Still wonder where that radius guard is. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tech videos, I guess. Comment if you have any Macs yourself, and stay tuned for the next video in which I take a look at the software that's on this thing.